am your trainer Anamika, and I will be teaching in Shri Krishna Defense Academy as spoken English trainer. So today, as a brief introduction about what I am going to teach for defense is easy and effective selection in defense. How you can get easily selected in defense. Okay. So here my tips are: tip number 1. Follow 4 P's. Okay, you have to follow 4 P's, which include predict, interview questions, practice, prepare information, polish up on interview etiquettes. Okay, this is tip number 1, that you have to follow 4 P's, which include predict interview questions, practice, prepare information, and polish upon interview etiquettes. Okay. So now tip 2 is get command over parts of speech and tenses. Because in defense, you have to be very sure about what you are speaking and the way you are speaking. So every sentence has always a parts of speech and tenses. It is included in every sentence which you speak. So the next tip is, which is tip number 3, is read and listen. By reading, we can say that you have to read newspapers, English novels, English books, which enhance your reading skills. And by reading also, you can enhance your words power, which is very important. Because every time you don't have a book or a newspaper or something to read in front of your defense personals, so you have to be good. You have to be into good word memory powers. So for that, you always read good articles in English, good newspapers, and you have to follow this reading skills every day in every life. Next is listening. So listening is as important as reading. In listening, you can do few things, like you can listen English movies, you can watch English movies, you can listen English songs, or you can watch TED Talks, or you can watch similar podcast which comes into internet and YouTube. Okay, so by listening also, if you close your eyes and listen to the person who is speaking English, who is giving you a good moral and good points how you face life easily, is very important. Alright, so you can do one thing also. If you want to enhance your skills, you can close your room and you can start recording your voice, whatever you want to speak. You can record your voice in your phone, and then you can listen it clearly, that the way you are speaking, how effective it is, and how the uses of words you are making in your reading and listening capability. So tip number 4 is follow the golden rule. So here golden rule means it's very easy and very comfort of every person. You can easily speak with few people, which includes your family and your friends. Okay, so whichever person you think in your family will listen you and help you out, you can take that person with yourself go to terrace, go to your room, close it and just speak with that person in English. Whether that person is not well aware of English language, you can just easily ask him to listen to you and just you can speak in front of that person like you are speaking in front of mirror. Sometimes we are not easy and comfort with the mirror thing, but few people I have seen that they are very comfortable with their friends and their family members. So take that person with you, go to your room, close it and just speak with that person in English. Alright. Second thing, don't afraid of mistakes. Alright. So every person thinks that okay, I'll do a mistake, I might not speak well. That's fine, that happens to everyone. Alright. So it's okay if you do mistakes. Your trainers, your teachers, I am here to correct you whatever you are doing wrong. Alright. But the first thing is you do it. At least you try to do it. Then we can only make you correct. We can clear your mistakes. Alright. Number 5 is practice. By practice, I mean to say that I have earlier mentioned that you can practice with your family, friends and anybody which you feel comfortable by yourself. Alright. You can practice your mock interviews as well. Alright. If you are alone, you can write down questions or you can watch videos of earlier interviews which happens. Few people upload their interviews also and they make videos on interviews also. So you can watch the videos and also enhance your ability and your words power, then how you can effectively clear the defense interviews. Alright. You can also watch videos on motivation. As a trainer, why motivation I want to say that is very effective and important for every defense person, because sometimes in defense interview questions you might feel that you are not able to speak or you are not able to converse yourself effectively in front of the interviewer. So motivation is very important for you all. If you are motivated from internally, you are motivated from your brain, then you can effectively clear your mock interviews, your interviews in defense. Next is be confident. Alright. Whenever you are speaking, whatever you are speaking, just be confident. Okay. And next thing is your body language. If you think yourself as a defense person, you can easily clear it out that a defense person always has a good body posture, a good body language. Alright. So in my classes, I will give you training on how you can work effectively on your body language and how you can clear your confidence level for the interviews. So these are few tips on how you can enhance your body language and enhance your confidence level and your English as well. So please come and join my class, and this is very brief what I have told you right now. So in the class there is much more activities and much more extra things that we can together teach and we can together learn. So come and join the Sri Krishna classes of defense. Thank you.